This is a drum 30 cuba. Yes, this moving bed reactor and membrane filter. Yes, everything ready. Now we check filter before send to customer. Yeah, drum, everything installed, ready. Yeah, stainless steel, UV. Yeah, this ready. Yeah, this is lead to him. Yeah, lead to drum. Yeah, this K1, this included. Yeah, and membrane. Yeah, ready. Water come from here to membrane first, and this place can regulate. You can see you just open, yes, and can move. Yeah, this needs to look exactly level your water and regulate this level and regulate this level same. Yeah, but water must come from here inside up like this. Yeah, okay. Connection with this place and connection with drum. Yeah, can connect like this or can move up drum filter on about 6 centimeters. Yeah, you just move this drum. Yeah, but this you see level here and level this different. Just move this beer and this beer and everything connect. Yeah, this okay. Now test drum filter. Open drum. First open timer. Timer work 15 seconds and 30 minutes his stop. Every time circulate. This can regulate. Yeah. I sent for you another video how do this. Yeah, okay. This is first work by timer and next this float switch. When water level come to float, he activate all system. Now activate motor reductor and pump. Yeah, pump connect here. This 1, 2, 3. This pump. This need connect pump. Yeah, okay. Now try again. This work. How regulate? Time working here. Regulating like this and open again. Yeah, okay. This order have together with drum one control box. Control box. This is one more inside and UV light, timer, motor. Yeah, power board. Everything included here. Yeah. Okay. And next, this is now check manual open. Turn left, just motor reductor. Yes, this for service. And turn right, this motor reductor with pump. When pump connect. Yes. But important, he must stay every time by middle like this. This work automatically. Timer and float switch. Yes. Filter must work every time by timer first and float switch. This is space. Yeah. If water level move, he activate. Okay. This everything ready. Now we put in box and send to customer. Okay. If you have a question, write for me. I help you. Thank you.